So, what's the first thing you picture when you hear the words black hole? Probably some kind of cosmic vacuum cleaner, right? A monster that just sucks up everything around it. But what if the reality is a whole lot weirder? Forget cosmic monsters. We're talking about places where time itself falls apart, where the rules of reality get a total rewrite, and where everything we think we know about the universe just stops. Let's get to the edge of what's possible and uncover the unbelievable truths about black holes. First off, let's get rid of the biggest myth right away. A black hole isn't a hole. It's not some empty spot in space. It's actually the complete opposite. A black hole is a staggering amount of stuff crammed into an impossibly tiny area. Think about squishing a mountain down to the size of a grain of sand. The gravity of an object like that is so powerful that once you get too close, nothing can get away. Not even light. That point of no return is what scientists call the event horizon. It isn't a solid surface you could touch, it's more like a one-way door. So a black hole isn't a void. It's one of the most packed, dense things in the entire universe. We all have that image of a black hole acting like a drain in space, pulling everything toward it. But honestly, you could orbit one from a safe distance, just like how Earth orbits the sun. The real danger isn't some kind of magical suction power, it's just gravity taken to the absolute extreme. And if you did start to fall toward one, it wouldn't be a smooth ride. The gravity pulling on the part of your body closer to the black hole would be ridiculously stronger than the pull on your other end. This massive difference would stretch you out like a piece of spaghetti, a process that scientists, with a bit of a dark sense of humor, actually call spaghettification. For smaller black holes, these forces are so intense, they'd tear you apart before you even got close to the event horizon. It's a much stranger and more brutal end than just being sucked in. Okay, this is where things start to feel like science fiction. A black hole's gravity is so immense, it doesn't just pull on objects, it actually bends space and time. Einstein's theory of general relativity calls this gravitational time dilation. What it means is that as you got closer to a black hole, time for you would start ticking slower compared to someone watching you from far away. To them, you'd look like you were moving in slow motion, eventually seeming to freeze at the edge for what looks like forever. But from your point of view, everything would feel normal as you crossed the event horizon, having no idea that thousands or even millions of years could be passing for the rest of the universe. And if the black hole is spinning, it gets even crazier. A spinning black hole literally drags the fabric of space-time around with it. It's a bit like putting a spinning ball in a bucket of honey. It swirls everything around it. Get too close, and space itself is moving so fast, you'd be forced to spin with it. You couldn't stand still if you tried. We usually cast black holes as the villains of the cosmos, pure destruction. But fascinating new research is starting to flip that idea on its head. Recent data from the James Webb Space Telescope hints that the supermassive black holes found at the center of galaxies might have actually helped create them. It seems like black holes and their galaxies grew up together, with the black hole acting as a sort of seed that sped up the birth of new stars in the early universe. The intense energy shooting out from these ancient black holes could have squeezed the gas clouds around them, causing them to collapse and kickstart star formation at a furious pace. So instead of being cosmic wrecking balls, they might just be the universe's greatest builders. So, what's waiting on the other side of the event horizon, right at the very heart of a black hole? The honest answer, we have no idea. Our current understanding of physics points to a single spot of infinite density called a singularity. It's at this one point that both general relativity and quantum mechanics, the two pillars of physics that explain everything from galaxies to atoms, completely break down. They just can't describe what's going on there. The singularity is the literal edge of our knowledge, where the universe's biggest secrets are still waiting for us. So, black holes aren't holes. They'll turn you into spaghetti, they can make time stand still, and they might be the reason we have galaxies in the first place. They are the most extreme places in the universe, and they show us just how much we have left to figure out. What other mind-blowing truths are still out there, hiding in the dark? If this trip to the edge of reality blew your mind, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more dives into the unknown. And let us know in the comments, what cosmic mystery should we tackle next?